Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and welcome to another episode of Which is Better, where we take a quick look at the 2002 Rs by New Balance in collaboration with Japanese fashion brand Bape, also known as Bape. These released back in June 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £165. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Bape London store, and it comes in a grey MB branded box with a style code M2002R BG for the grey and M2002R BF for black. Open up the box comes with shoes with an extra set of laces. The black pair came with green and the grey came with white. I wish they had a special Bape branded box, but we're not here for the box, let's get right into the shoes. The New Balance and Bape 2002R features a camo canvas upper with smooth suede overlays. The black pair features a signature green camo, while the grey takes a more tonal approach. The classic teeth design wraps around the heel in silver reflective 3M, so expect that to pop at night. And other details include New Balance and Bape branding on its tongue tab, tongue attachment and insoles. Looks aside, expect great cushioning with its Absorb sole, Energy trademark outsole providing shock absorption, and added arch support with its Stability Web outsole technology. I stay true to size with these, but expect a more snug fit due to its canvas upper. So to answer the question which is better, I would say the black just because it understood the excitement. It's definitely what you imagine when you think of Bape and New Balance coming together. I do like both pairs, and I think these will definitely please a Bape collector. You've heard my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Let me know which colour you prefer by commenting grey or black in the comments below. Thanks for watching, it's at Samuel Sagwa on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.